Okay, next step. Once we have our torso attached to our tray, we are going to do the first layer of paper mache. I am thinking if we do 2, it will be okay. It is often good to do more than 2, like 5 or something like that, but we don't have a lot of time. So what you are going to do, you are going to get your newspaper and you are going to cut it in half, like that. Okay? Then I am going to fold it in half so I can do less cutting and save myself time. When you are working with the smaller pieces, usually goes for smaller projects. For this one, we are going to make them bigger. So I would think that about, how long would this be? 2 to 3 inches wide will work. So we do that. This is wallpaper paste, and it should be safe for everybody. Oh, this one is drier. Let me get some. I'll get some that is running. So what you do is you grab it with your hands. It has a different consistency. I'll pull out the other one. Then you get it on both sides of the paper, this way.
Does it have to be completely full?
It will be completely full. And then remember that we are going to add a layer of a mixture of glue and slip. It will look at the end as if it was red terracotta people, red clay people. Okay, then you wrap it. Then for the next layer, and again, you don't need to waste any material. So the next one is going to slightly overlap at the end, just like that. And then the next one, the next one. We just need to make sure that before we leave, newspaper is touching newspaper. You don't want any newspaper just laying on the plastic because it will flare out. It will detach. Okay?
So no gaps?
No gaps. Okay? And then for the bottom, we need to make sure, and when the other people come in, make sure that you guys tell them everything needs to be really well attached to the next piece. So what I am talking about is the board and the plastic. We are going to be covering both. Like that. All the way around. Yes? Questions? None? Okay, let's continue then.